This video shows you how to use Interview Mentor on a Mac, guiding you step by step from installation to its key features. Everything demonstrated here has been tested on macOS versions 13.7 to 15.5. Table of contents. We'll start with the installation and setup process for Interview Mentor, Mentor Monitor, and Blackhole. Then we'll cover Interview Mentor's two main features on Mac: screenshot analysis and real-time conversation analysis. After that, you'll learn how to use Mentor Monitor to share your screen during a virtual meeting. Finally, we'll explain how to close the program and exit properly. Let me start by introducing the three terms shown on this slide. Interview Mentor is the main part of this product. It's a powerful tool that helps you perform better in virtual meetings, especially job interviews. It supports you in two ways. First, it helps you master coding tests with support for over 20 popular programming languages. Second, it helps you answer interview questions with confidence and clarity. Mentor Monitor is a virtual display used to control what you share during a virtual meeting. Blackhole is a virtual audio driver for macOS. It's required to enable the premium feature of real-time conversation analysis. Part 1. Installation and configuration. To install and set up the software, go to https:/interviewmentor.ai.com/ and download the Mac version. Open your Downloads folder, double-click Novamind AI Installer.dmg, then drag and drop Novamind AI software into the Applications folder. In Applications, open Novamind AI software. You will see two apps, Interview Mentor and Mentor Monitor. Double-click Interview Mentor and click Open. The login window will appear. Sign in with your registered email, password, and serial number. Free members don't need a serial number. Free members can try either screenshot analysis or real-time conversation analysis once. After that, continued use requires a subscription. This is the main Interview Mentor interface. If Blackhole is not detected on your system, a Blackhole Audio Setup Required window will pop up. Click Open Blackhole GitHub to visit the Blackhole GitHub page. If the Interview Mentor window is blocking your view, press Option P to send it to the back. Scroll down to the installation instructions. You can install Blackhole by downloading the installer or by running brew install blackhole-2ch in the terminal. For the latter, Homebrew must be installed on your system. Please restart your computer after installation. After installing Blackhole, you need to configure your system's audio settings. Open Audio MIDI Setup from the Utilities folder under Applications. Click the plus in the bottom left corner and select Create Multi-Output Device. You'll see Multi-Output Device appear in the left panel. On the right, set the primary device to the built-in speaker. In the table below, check both the built-in speaker and Blackhole 2ch and enable drift correction for Blackhole 2ch. Next, open System Settings and go to the Sound section. Under Output, select Multi-Output Device. Under Input, select Blackhole 2ch. Your system is now ready for real-time conversation analysis. When you're in a virtual meeting, make sure Multi-Output Device is selected as your speaker to ensure the feature works correctly. To configure Mentor Monitor, double-click the Mentor Monitor icon as shown in the video. A window will open that looks just like your desktop but slightly smaller. To set it up, go to System Settings and click Display. You will see two displays, one named Built-in Display and the other Mentor Monitor Display. By default, the built-in display is the main screen. Click Arrange and adjust the monitors side by side if needed, so you can see their layout and relative positions. Next, set Mentor Monitor as the main display. Once you switch the main display to Mentor Monitor, the built-in display will go blank immediately. All open windows and the dock will move to Mentor Monitor, which is positioned to the right of the built-in display. Move your mouse to the right edge and drag the Mentor Monitor window over. At this point, the Interview Mentor window will be on Mentor Monitor. Use Option plus left arrow to move the Interview Mentor window left onto the built-in display. You will notice the dock can switch between the built-in display and Mentor Monitor when your cursor approaches the bottom edge of either screen. Please switch the dock to Mentor Monitor, then press Ctrl plus Option plus U to lock the mouse. This prevents accidental clicks during an interview. With these steps, the installation and configuration are complete. Part 2, Screenshot Analysis. We first need to open Interview Mentor, To launch the Interview Mentor application, log in using the email address you registered with, your password, and the serial number given at subscription. After launching, Interview Mentor stays discreet with no icon in the taskbar, keeping it hidden during screen sharing in interviews. Now, let's explore the Interview Mentor interface. The title bar shows the current status, including the selected language, and the status of the transcription service. Below it, a quick reference panel lists commonly used shortcuts, followed by introductions to the functions and AI-powered features you will receive. Pressing Ctrl-Option-S opens the Settings window, where you can change programming languages and view all keyboard shortcuts. Screenshot Analysis Demo. This is a demo of screenshot analysis featuring a coding problem from LeetCode. You can log in to open Interview Mentor or press Option+P to bring it to the front if it's already open. Let's start with some common shortcuts shown on the screen. We recommend locking the Interview Mentor window during virtual meetings or job interviews to avoid any unusual mouse movements that might worry the interviewer. Before locking, you can move the window by dragging it and resize it by dragging its edges or corners. To lock the window, press Option+L. When locked, the window becomes click-through, so it won't respond to mouse clicks or drags. However, you can still move it using keyboard shortcuts like Option+Arrow keys, which you can find in the Shortcuts table. You can adjust the window's opacity by pressing Option+N to increase it and Option+Shift+N to decrease it. Press Option+P to toggle the Interview Mentor window between hidden and visible. To solve the coding problem, take up to 3 screenshots by pressing Option-A for the full screen or Option-D for the active window. Then press Option+Q to start analyzing the screenshots. Within a few seconds, depending on your network speed, you will get a solution in your chosen programming language. This solution is divided into 4 sections: problem statement, reasoning process, solution, and time and space complexity, arranged from top to bottom. The solution code is highlighted for better readability. To get the solution in another programming language, press Ctrl-Option-S to switch languages, then repeat the screenshot and analysis steps. A shortcut reference panel appears at the bottom right corner to help you navigate Interview Mentor's content. Part 3, Real-Time Conversation Analysis, is designed to help you respond to questions during virtual meetings, including job interviews. This feature has been tested on Apple Silicon chips like the M1 and M4. It requires installing Blackhole. Besides the earlier setup steps, be sure to select Multi-Output Device as your speaker when using video conferencing apps such as Zoom or Teams. To use this function, first open and log into Interview Mentor. Once it's launched, press Option-E to initiate transcription function. Interview Mentor will then be ready for real-time conversation analysis. The voice from the interviewer or other participants in the virtual meeting will be transcribed in a real-time manner, with the text appearing at the bottom of the screen. When you hear a question, press Option-Enter to get AI-powered assistance. The solution will appear within seconds, depending on your network speed. If the response is long, use Option-Arrow keys to scroll through it. Mentor Monitor is designed specifically for screen sharing during virtual meetings, including job interviews. For example, in Zoom, when you click Share, you will see options like Desktop 1 and Desktop 2. Make sure to select Mentor Monitor. In my case, Mentor Monitor is Desktop 1, which does not have a white title bar at the top. This is a mock coding interview. The applicant's screen is on the left, the interviewer's is on the right. The applicant adjusted the window opacity, locked the window, took 2 screenshots, and pressed Option-Q to trigger AI assistance. A solution appeared within seconds. As you can see in the mock coding interview, the Interview Mentor is visible only to the applicant, not to the interviewer. The final step is how to safely end the program and exit. As you may remember, we previously set Mentor Monitor as the main display. Now we need to switch the built-in display back to the main one. First, unlock the mouse by pressing Ctrl-Option-U. Then go to System Settings and open Display. Change Mentor Monitor to an extended display. After switching, Mentor Monitor will appear on the right side. Move your mouse to the right, Drag Mentor Monitor over, and then close it. Using Interview Mentor is straightforward. It's designed to rely on shortcut key combinations rather than mouse clicks. So be sure to familiarize yourself with the software interface and all the relevant shortcuts before your interviews. Best of luck.